Open the package and remove all parts. Step 1. Assemble the front wheel. Loosen and remove the fork protective bar. Remove the fixed washers and nuts from both sides of the front wheel. Loosen the brake cable. Mount the front wheel into the fork. Lower the kickstand. After placing the washer, tighten the nut. Tighten the brake cable. Step 2. Assemble the handlebar. Loosen the stem bolts and straighten the stem. Tighten the stem bolts. Unscrew the stem cap. Insert the handlebars into the stem, put on the stem cap, and tighten. Install the front reflector on the handlebar. Step 3. Assemble the pedals. Confirm the pedals on both sides. L is the left pedal and R is the right pedal. After inserting the pedals into the cranks, rotate them toward the head of the bike. Step 4. Assemble the saddle. Insert the rear reflector into the seat post and tighten it securely. Insert the saddle into the seat tube, ensuring it extends beyond the minimum safety line. Secure the quick-release skewer. Installation is now complete. If you have any questions, please contact us.